If you notice your heartbeat at night and suddenly can't unfeel it, this is where most people start to panic. You're lying there, trying to fall asleep, nothing unusual. And then you notice it. Your heartbeat. Not fast, not painful, just there. Clear, strong, impossible to ignore. And now you can't unfeel it. You try to relax, but your attention keeps going back to it. And your brain starts asking questions. Was it always like this? Why does it feel so strong right now? Is something wrong? Bob had that exact moment. 2:07 a.m., staring at the ceiling, completely still, and then suddenly becoming aware of every single beat. He grabbed his phone, started searching, and yeah, he started to overthink it. Because it's not just the heartbeat, it's the uncertainty around it. But here's where it changes. Feeling your heartbeat is not the same as something being wrong with your heart. And this is where people get it wrong. Most of the time, what you're feeling is awareness, not danger. During the day, your brain is busy. Noise, movement, conversations, screens. Your attention is pulled outward, and your heart is beating exactly the same way, but you don't notice it. But here's where it changes. At night, everything gets quiet. You're still. Your body isn't moving. There's nothing competing for your attention. So your awareness turns inward. And this is the part no one explains. When your attention shifts inward, sensations that were always there suddenly become noticeable. Your heartbeat didn't change. Your awareness of it did. But there's also a physical side to this, not just mental. When you lie down, your body position changes. Gravity isn't pulling in the same way. Blood flow redistributes slightly. Your heart doesn't have to work against gravity like it does when you're standing. And this is where people get it wrong. You assume something new is happening, but sometimes it's just a different position. Now, here's the detail most people don't expect. Your sleep position matters. If you lie on your left side, your heart is physically closer to your chest wall, and this is where it changes. There's less distance between your heart and the surface of your body, so each beat transmits more directly. It feels stronger. Nothing about your heart changed, just how close you are to feeling it. There's also the surface beneath you. Your mattress creates slight counter pressure, and this is the part no one explains. That pressure doesn't affect your heart, but it affects how vibrations travel through your body. So what you feel gets amplified. Now put everything together. Stillness, silence, body position, pressure. And this is where it changes. You've created the perfect conditions to notice something that's normally invisible. But here's where people get stuck. You assume that if you can feel it now, something must have changed now. But that's not how it works. Now there's an important distinction. And this is the part that actually matters. The difference between feeling your heartbeat and having palpitations. Feeling your heartbeat means it's steady, rhythmic, predictable. It doesn't surprise you. It just feels more noticeable. But palpitations feel different. Skipping, fluttering, racing unexpectedly, or irregular. And this is where people get it wrong. They treat both the same, but they're not the same experience. A strong, steady heartbeat that you notice is usually harmless, but an irregular, unpredictable rhythm, that's something different. And once you understand that, everything shifts. Because now you're not reacting to the feeling itself, you're reading the pattern behind it. But here's where it changes. There are common triggers that make your heartbeat feel stronger, even when your heart is completely healthy. Caffeine is one of the biggest. You might not notice it during the day, but at night, it becomes obvious. And this is the part no one explains. It's not always about your heart beating faster, it's about each beat feeling more forceful, more noticeable. Then there's dehydration. When your body doesn't have enough fluid, your blood volume drops slightly, so your heart works a little harder to circulate it. Not dangerously, just enough to feel it more. And this is where people get it wrong. You assume something is wrong when your body is just adjusting. Now add stress, not panic, not obvious anxiety, just background tension, overthinking, mental load. And this is where it changes. Your nervous system becomes more alert, more sensitive, so sensations feel stronger. You're not creating the heartbeat, you're noticing it more. Bob realized this later. He thought something was wrong, but his mind wouldn't stop focusing on it, and that focus made it louder. And then there's timing. This is why it becomes a 2 a.m. problem. Everything is quiet, no distractions, your body is still, and this is the part no one explains. Even normal sensations feel stronger at night. Your awareness increases because nothing competes for your attention. The room is quiet, your focus turns inward, you notice your breathing more, your heart beat more, even small sensations feel amplified. But the key is pattern, not one moment. A strong but steady heartbeat is often just awareness. You stop analyzing every heartbeat. You stop spiraling late at night. Instead, you observe clearly. You notice what triggers it, what repeats, what changes. That shift matters. You move from reacting to understanding, from fear to clarity. And if you've ever had that moment while lying there, feeling your heartbeat and wondering, type it below. No names.